Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 2015 Chevy Malibu? It's a DIY process using GM's standard remote keyless entry system and can be done without special tools. This method reprograms the vehicle's immobilizer and RKE receiver to recognize the new fob. The 2015 Malibu uses a 314.35 MHz frequency for remote signals, with encryption to prevent cloning. Note, incorrect attempts can lead to security issues or require dealer intervention, so proceed with caution. Before you begin, make sure you have a working key fob with a valid transponder chip and a fresh battery is installed. The system allows up to 4 fobs to be programmed. Now let's walk through the step-by-step programming process for your 2015 Chevy Malibu key fob.